Hey everybody, I'm at the World of Concrete trade show in the Milwaukee booth. I'm here with Brittany. Brittany, thanks for having us.
I know, of course.
Appreciate it. Brittany is going to show us their new, their SDS MAX, right?
Yes.
And this is a demo hammer. Can you kind of walk me through some of the features and
yeah.
specs on it?
Yeah, so this is going to be our new M18 Fuel 18-pound SDS MAX Demolition hammer.
Yep.
So what this is going to really provide you is giving you and delivering on that corded performance. It's going to be the hardest hitting hammer in the 18-pound class, hitting harder than corded or cordless to really give you that power needed to chip out that concrete.
This is chipping only, demo only. It's not drilling, right?
Correct,
And
correct.
Did you say, how much does it weigh?
Right now this weighs at about 17 pounds
Pretty light.
without the battery. Yeah.
Without the battery.
Without the battery. Adding the battery, you're at about 20 pounds.
Yep, okay.
Yeah.
So some of the features on this, obviously you can connect to a battery. Is it, do I have to hit a dongle? Is it built in?
No, one of the cool features that we put into this tool is our VACLINK wireless dust control. So it's integrated right into the tool. When you connect to a compatible extractor, all you have to do is pull the trigger and the vacuum will go ahead and start.
All right. I might have turned it off. I'm pressing buttons here. I also see, there's a couple different buttons. There's 4 speeds, it looks like, Bluetooth.
Yeah. So it'll also be equipped with one key,
One key.
to be able to connect to the app for tracking and management. It also has variable speed. So it has 4 different speed settings so that you can vary based on how precise that you need to be.
A little bit, is it like a decoupling here or?
Yeah, so we also have our ABS system built into the tool as well to reduce that vibration, which is what that little bit of give that you're feeling.
ABS is?
Our anti-vibration system.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how does that work? Is that like built-in rubber, springs? I mean, what is that? How does that work?
Yeah, so it's actually built right into the tool, and essentially what's happening is there's a little bit of dead space back here, and it allows that tool inside to move up and down as you use the tool to reduce the vibration that the user
So
feels.
it doesn't transfer through the handle.
Yes.
This handle obviously moves around. Price and availability.
Yeah, so this will be available starting in September of 2026. We're going to offer it in a kit with 2 12-volt batteries running at about $11.99.
$11.99. Awesome. Well, let's give it a try, shall we?
Yeah, absolutely.
Gonna a little chipping hammer here. It's really light.
Yeah.
That's lighter than the one I have anyway. Well, hey, that's
What'd you
really
think
nice.
of the power?
The power's great.
Yeah.
Thanks for having us. I
Yeah,
really appreciate you
absolutely.
explaining it. Thanks, everyone.